Good morning, students. Today, we are going to study or learn chapter number 5, expansion formulae. We have studied the expansion formulae in previous class, previous standard. In the which formula? Formula number 1, a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The expansion of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. तर हे एक्सपान्शन कसं आलेलं आहे आपण सातवीला पाहिलेलं आहे, बरोबर. We have studied in previous class. A plus b bracket square is equal to means a plus b bracket square means a plus b into a plus b, correct, which is equal to multiply them a into second bracket a plus b into a plus b, a is into a plus b into a plus b. Now see, a into a square, a into plus b, ab, plus b into a plus ab, and last is plus b into plus b square, which is equal to a square as it is. After plus ab and plus ab is the like terms, the sum of like terms. With 1ab plus 1ab, that is equal to 2ab plus b square. And therefore, a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And by using the expansion formula to solve the examples, first example here. Expansion of x plus 2y bracket square. Here by using the expansion formula, first term plus second term whole square. First term plus second term bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here by using the formula, a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2y. Putting a is equal to x and b is equal to 2y bracket square is equal to a is equal to x square plus 2 as it is, a is equal to x, 2 into x into b is equal to 2y plus 2y bracket square, which is equal to x square, 2 into x into 2y, 2 into 2 4 xy plus square of 2 4 and square of y square. Therefore x plus 2y bracket square is equal to the expansion of x plus 2y bracket square is equal to x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. Next expansion formula is number 2, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a minus b bracket square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b, which is equal to a into multiply second bracket a into a minus b into a minus b, which is equal to a into a square, a into minus b minus ab minus b into a minus ab and minus b into minus b, that is equal to plus b square, which is equal to a square as it is, the minus 1ab minus 1ab, that is equal to minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is the expansion formula. In this expansion formula, by using the examples, by using this all the examples, example number 1, expansion of x minus 5y bracket square, expansion of 2x minus 5y bracket square. Here by using the expansion formula, to take by using the expansion formula, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here putting a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5y. Therefore 2x minus 5y bracket square is equal to a is equal to 2x, means 2x bracket square minus 2 into a is equal to 2x into b is equal to 5y and plus b is equal to 5y bracket square, which is equal to 2x square, square of 2 4, square of x square minus 2 into 2 4 4 into 5 minus 20 x into y xy minus 20 xy plus square of 5 25 square of y square is the expansion of 2x minus 5y bracket square. And third one is the expansion formula of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to same method. Here the first term and second term are same, but first bracket is plus sign and second bracket is minus sign. Here actually multiplying a into second bracket a minus b and plus b into second bracket a minus b, which is equal to a into a square, a into minus b minus ab, and plus b into a plus ab plus b into minus b, that is equal to minus b, because the sign of multiplication is equal to plus into minus, that is equal to minus, which is equal to here a square as it is. Here like term minus ab and plus ab, that is the opposite side. Minus ab plus ab, that is get cancelled. Here minus b square is the expansion of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Is the expansion formula a plus b into a minus b by using the expansion of bracket 5x 5m plus 3n in second bracket 5m minus 3. By using the expansion formula, by using the expansion formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here first term are same and second term are also same, but sign is opposite. Here the two polynomials. Here a is equal to 5n and b is equal to 3n. Putting the values, substitute 5m plus 3n into 5m minus 3n, which is equal to a is equal to 5m bracket square minus and b is equal to 3n bracket square. Therefore, is equal to x square, 5 square is equal to 25, that is m square is m, minus square of 3 9, square of 9 n square is the solution of the expansion of 5m plus 3n into 5m minus 3n. These are the three expansion formulas studied. We have studied the expansion formula in previous standard. In 8th standard, the expansion of activity given, actually activity drop करना है कैसे करना उसको रे, पर तुम्हारे क्षेत्र आवे expand x plus a into x plus b using formulas. Area of a square and rectangle. Here the expansion of x plus a into x plus b by using the geometrical figures. Here we first draw the any rectangle. in a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here the length of the rectangle, put x plus a, and the breadth of the rectangle is x plus b. Here ही साइड b घेतलेली आहे आणि ही साइड x घेतलेली आहे. x plus a is the length of rectangle and x plus b, here x length किती आहे तितकीच आपल्याला इथं approximately x b. The length of rectangle is equal to x plus a and breadth of rectangle x plus b. Here this side x, ही पण x असते, ही साइड ही पण x आहे आणि ही पण x. आता ही साइड a जर असेल तर आपल्याकडे प्रॉपर्टी आहे the opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. ही पण साइड a असणार आहे आणि ही पण a असणार आहे. आता इथं लक्षात घ्या ही साइड b आणि ही पण b असेल. तर इथं आपल्याला एक रेक्टँगल घेतला होता, त्यात आपल्याला 4 फिगर्स आपल्याला पाहिजे आहेत. इथं ही साइड ऑल साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट x इज द फर्स्ट स्क्वेअर. परत ही लेंथ आहे a आणि ब्रेड्थ आहे x, म्हणजे हा रेक्टँगल आहे, हा पण रेक्टँगल आणि हा रेक्टँगल. वन स्क्वेअर अँड 3 रेक्टँगल here which is equal to at the area of a 4 figures, the area of a square, formula side square. Here the side of square is x, and that is equal to area of a square is equal to x square. Next figure is the rectangle. Length is a and breadth is b. The area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is a and breadth is b. That is equal to ax. Area of a rectangle is ax. And third one is here length is a and breadth is b. The area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Means ab is the area of is this rectangle, and last one is here length is b and breadth is x, that is equal to bx. Area of a rectangle is equal to area of a whole rectangle is equal to area of a square plus area of rectangle plus area of rectangle, that is equal to x square plus ax plus bx plus ab, which is equal to x square as it is. Here like terms ax plus bx plus in bracket x formula a plus b into x plus ab. Therefore x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus ab is the expansion of x plus a into x plus b by using the geometrical figures. Expansion of x plus a into x plus b.